Welcome to Goofing Off-Road. My name's Tony. When you buy a Bruder, they send you this McHitch coupler that you need to put onto a tow hitch so that when you go to pick your Bruder up, you can tow it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the McHitch. Let me show you how to do it. To install the hitch, you're going to need a 15mm wrench, a 1.5 inch socket, and a really big torque wrench. First thing to do is put the shank into the hitch itself. So take the washer and the nut off, and then screw the shank in and bottom it out with the 15mm wrench. The next thing to do is to tighten up the set screw to stop the shank from coming out. The set screw is on the side here. Now the shank's in place, we can put it on the tow hitch. Take your tow hitch and put it into the hitch of your vehicle and put it in sideways. Then take the McHitch and screw the lock washer and the nut on there. Now set your torque wrench to 290 foot-pounds and you can tighten up the nut. Now your McHitch is ready to go. You pop it in your vehicle and go pick up your Bruder. I hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe for more cool videos.